Australia's push to engage more fully in the space economy is picking up pace in a collaboration with the Italian Space Agency. The SpIRIT project is part of a strategic plan to create up to 20,000 new Australian jobs by 2030. When it's operational, it will help grow the space sector by a targeted 8.5% annually.
This is SpIRIT, the nanosatellite designed to launch the Australian space industry into the final frontier.
For the Australian industry, I think this is huge. I would say this is one of the biggest things since the Federation spacecraft, which was 20 years ago.
It's taken just 2 years to construct the shoebox-sized satellite, complete with selfie stick and a construction manual investigators refer to as the IKEA assembly guide. Designed and built by the Melbourne Space Laboratory at the University of Melbourne, backed by an Australian-Italy syndicate.
The space industry in Australia, after a little bit of a slow start, is now really blossoming.
Booked for launch in 2023, SpIRIT's origami panel design will unfold after it's deployed.
Oh, fantastic.
Showing off the best of Australian-made space technology as it orbits for 2 years.
Innovations in thermal control, innovations in communications, innovations in thruster systems and innovations in autonomy on board, all of which are first of their kind.
The Australian Space Agency injecting almost $4 million into the project with the hope it'll spark a $1 billion return by attracting future investment capital. Weighing under 12 kilos, SpIRIT punches well above its weight in terms of technical capabilities. Investigators on this project say when SpIRIT launches early next year, it will be a major milestone in the evolution of the Australian space industry.
Projects such as SpIRIT will help to establish the maturity of the space sector and show that Australia is ready to do big business internationally.
The Australian Space Agency is aiming to triple the sector's contribution to the national GDP to $12 billion and establish Australia as a spacefaring nation by the end of the decade. Abby Dinham, SBS World News.